Welcome. In this video we are going to talk about repositories, and we will take a look at the in-memory repository of Redbird. So in the example here, in the Hello World example, you saw how we can create an in-memory repository, how we can add items. And Redbird is CRUD compliant, so we can retrieve data from the repository, create data in the repository, delete data, and update items in the repository. So if we want to read the repository, what we can do is to go ahead and take the items in the list repo and just print the item. So this is how we can add a new item, and we can also add a new item by saying that this is the base app model, and basically we would like to say that the name is equal to legyen Florian, the age is equal to 31, and the height is equal to 183, or let's make it 3. The age is 30. So now if we want, let's close this, we can print out the items in the repository. So basically these are the items. So this is one way to read it. What we can also do is to use the repo. So for item in repo.filter by, and we say that name is equal to Daniel. Then we can print the item. There you go. What we can also do is to update items. So basically we can say that repo that filter by name equals Florian, and we call the update age equals 29. Then we can list the other items in the repo. So as you can see, the age has changed. We can also delete items from the repo. So what we can do is to say repo that filter by name equals Daniel and call the delete, and that should remove me from this repository. Let's run it, and I am gone. So this is how you can use the in-memory repository in Redbird. See you in the next one.